Good day, my friends, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to customize a Shopify Spotlight theme. Okay, so firstly, of course, if you don't have this theme yet, you just need to go ahead and install it. You go ahead and open up Online Store. After that, scroll down and open up, let me see, what do we have? There you go, Theme Store. Open up Theme Store, and in here just search for it. You go here and choose Spotlight. There you go, this theme, and just press try to install it and activate it. Okay, Spotlight is added. Press edit theme. Okay, and on this left panel here, just choose theme settings and then click on logo right here. And in here under this section, you can upload your brand mark and adjust its custom display width. So if you want to customize your logo, you just press select, then you go ahead and upload an image. Let me do that. For example, this one, right? Something funny. Press done when it's uploaded, and there you go, you have your new logo. Also, you can do the same with favicon as well if you want. Then guys, next you can also open colors right over here to set up your primary palette. So you can just go ahead and edit schemes right here. If you don't like these I suppose standard ones, you can just go ahead and click add a scheme and provide your background color. Right, so you can just choose this code, gradient if you want, text, so all the colors that you can customize, you can do that here. And obviously if you go back, you can just go ahead and add your sections. So you can view your page structure right here. If you want to customize anything, add products, create templates, right? Also you can go ahead and select the header section right over here and customize your header, obviously. So that will include positioning, theme settings for colors, separators, all that good stuff. Also, don't forget, guys, any additions or changes you want to perform, you can also do that with a new thing called Sidekick. So this is AI. You can just go ahead and provide with simple language what you want to change, and this AI will help you to adjust your site. Hopefully this was helpful. Enjoy.